Hey everybody, Leann Forst here with leannforst.com, holistic health coach and certified essential oils coach. And today I want to talk about natural solutions for anxiety, for anxious feelings. We all have them from time to time. And it is alarming to know that is really the number one health issue in America. Over 40 million adults suffer from anxiety. And so we know that when you have constant anxiety, it can have repercussions and lead to other serious health issues such as high blood pressure, digestive issues, and even insomnia, as well as some other things. So we really want to get a hold on that. And there's a lot of natural solutions that can help you on your journey. So I want to give you some tools and tips and tricks that I use for anxiety. So first, of course, I'm going to say essential oils, because we know that when we inhale essential oils, that they go up through the nasal passageway to hit the olfactory system in the brain, the limbic system in the brain, through the olfactory bulb, and then they affect emotional wellness. And that's really what we're talking about here. And so the essential oils that I love to support that emotional wellness and help to ease anxious feelings there's 4 of them. There's lavender, Roman chamomile, and then vetiver and frankincense. And so any one of those 4, or even a combination of those 4, are my favorites. And what you could do is get these roller bottles either in your wholesale account or on Amazon, but you want the dark amber bottles. And you could put, if you have all those oils, you could put 5 drops of each of those oils in it and then fill it up the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. And of course, fractionated coconut oil is just liquefied coconut oil so that you can pump it. And it's going to be a medium chain fatty acid, so it helps to hold on to that essential oil, which is going to, evaporate quickly without it. And you can just roll it on your pulse points, above your collarbone, even on your brainstem right there. And it's really going to help to ease those anxious feelings. You can also diffuse. If you have a diffuser, you could diffuse one or all of those, any combination of those oils, okay? And it's going to help to ease the anxious feelings. And so that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is ashwagandha. So ashwagandha is one of my favorite secrets for my natural medicine cabinet. It is an adaptogen herb that helps to balance cortisol, which is your stress hormone, okay, which is, by the way, is linked to belly fat. And so ashwagandha is an amazing herb that has a lot of great health benefits, but easing stress, your stress response is one of them. I take it for sleep because I tend to go through my to-do list in the middle of the night. And so it helps to ease those tensions and anxious feelings that I have about all the things I have to get done. And so it helps me sleep. So ashwagandha, and then also I recommend magnesium. So magnesium, most people can benefit by supplementing with magnesium. In fact, it's one of the top 5 nutrient deficiencies in America. 95% of Americans are deficient in minerals, and magnesium is a big one. And magnesium, it helps to calm everything in the body. It's a natural de-stressor. So it's going to help to de-stress your mind, your body, your joints, your muscles, everything. It's the relaxation mineral. And so I recommend using about 500 milligrams, and you can go up or down from there. And the only way you'll know that you're getting too much is if you start to have loose stools. And then you just back it down. So that's really the only side effect if you're taking too much. But 500 milligrams is a good place to start, and take it at night so that it can help you sleep as well. So circling back to the essential oils, taking a nice relaxing bath with one or all of those essential oils. I would just start with putting 20 to 30 drops of lavender essential oil into an Epsom salt bath, and you'll sleep better than you have for years, I promise. So in any case, I am really glad that you're here and that you're listening, and I hope that some of these nuggets of information have helped you. And feel free to share this information with anybody you think that could benefit from it. And by the way, make sure to grab my free ebook below this video. And thanks for listening.